Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing an absolute game changer for your kitchen, the Houselin 4-in-1 multi-purpose electric juicer and grinder. This isn't just a juicer, it's a powerhouse that juices, grinds, minces, and mixes, all in one compact, easy-to-clean machine. With 800 watts of raw power, it can crush ice, mince meat, grind coffee beans, and even make fresh soya milk or tofu with ease. It comes with 3 interchangeable cups. So whether you're juicing fruits, making a protein shake, or prepping ingredients for dinner, it's ready to go. The non-drip spout makes cleanup a breeze, and the portable design means it fits into any kitchen space. So if you're looking to save time, space, and money, this 4-in-1 kitchen essential is a must-have. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to buy yours now.